Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So far we have completed efforts to reduce unemployment. Now I'm going to teach you the most important topic of the chapter frequently asked in section C and D, world labor market, students. Okay, so this world labor market you have to learn it for 3 or 4 marks, student. This is the most important question. Okay, now world labor market, when changes of labors is there among the nations of the world, is called as world labor market. You have heard that many people educated from India and they are doing job in the abroad, so that is called considered as world labor market. And many person from the other countries came to India and they for the search of the job, and they are doing the job. So exchange of laborers, that considered as world labor markets. When laborers migrate from one country to another for employment, for business, for training, or for getting education, is called movement of the labor at international level. When the laborers from India migrate to other country for job, for business, for training, for higher education, it is called movement of the labor at international level. Workout of the brain power of educational knowledge, high technical knowledge, skill development in search of more income, more facilities, better job is brain drain or migration at international level. This point means that the person educated from India, okay, and and that person will give their best brain power in the another country, okay, giving the high technical knowledge, skill development in another country. Why they are going in the another country? Because other country will give more income, more perks and more benefits. So that is considered as brain drain. Brain drain will ask for one, that's 1 mark also, that you have to do that. Migration at international level. Because of the increasing social status recently, country-wise mobility of the labor become popular in a noteworthy manner. Social status increases. When you are working in the other country, in the abroad, your social status increase. So many people that moving from our country to other country. As a result of migration to other country and due to the permanent settlement of the intelligent and talented people who have spent lots of money on them, facing a great flow of personality having talent and intelligence, technical knowledge and scientific attitude. So when a person migrated to other countries and they are started living on over there, permanent settlement of intelligent talented people over there, okay, a result of globalization and liberalization. I have already taught you globalization, import and export. Liberalization means what, students? Liberty given to the industry for establishing industry. A new situation has started rising in our economy. In the present time, demand for people having knowledge and skill in information technology, communication technology, biotechnology, computer, medical has increased. In a present time, demand of such technical person, those who have knowledge in the communication, technology, biotechnology, computer, even the medical, that increased. Many countries are appointed such people who have special qualification and skill as trained expert laborers and experts. We often heard that the person is highly educated, move to other countries. So many countries appointing such people. They adopt attractive tactic, matlab strategies and practices with high perks. So that countries, in order to get their technical persons, they adopted attractive tactic, matlab strategies, and they are giving high perks, means high salary they are giving, and other benefits also. Industrial firms send their employees also, and in the second point also, the countries, those who are already established in the our country, and they are sending our employee to other country. For what reason? To foreign country to obtain required qualification, knowledge and skill. so that they may survive the competition. So Indian industry also send their employee in the abroad. For what purpose? For acquiring the skills and the knowledge to stand themselves in the competition. So these part of international migration. This is also part of international migration. And there are positivity also in the world labor market. When our Indian person migrated to the other countries, giving their best service to the other countries. There are some positive points also, plus points also. Which are they? Now just pay attention. Like country receive foreign exchange as a part of income due to the migration of the people to the foreign countries for the job. That person will receive the income in the form of the foreign exchange, and foreign exchange increasing. Because of the flow of foreign money in our country, in this way problem of foreign exchange is solved. Okay, so that currency that flow in our country, so the problem of foreign currency that removed, and they develop our country also, solve certain extent. So world labor market, it is important for 3 to 4 marks. Students, you have to do it. Now students, textual question answer. Explain various solution of poverty alleviation program. So students, here total poverty alleviation programs here that given to you on page number 137, 1 to 14 poverty alleviation programs are given to you. So all you have to write it down. Some of the big that you have to comprehend, but these all programs will not ask in the exam together. Discuss in detail the steps taken by the government poverty alleviation program agriculture sector and program Gramoday to Bharat Uday. So here page number 138, in that the second one. Third, efforts, give information about the efforts made by the government to reduce the poverty. So here the strategy will come. 5 strategies are there. Okay, so that strategies, 5 strategies, so that you have to comprehend, that it will become very big answer, students. Then last, detailed schemes, programs undertaken by government to reduce unemployment. Main 4 it is written. So here total 9 are there. So at least you have to write down main 4 written over here. Okay, in exam it will ask for 3 to 4 marks. So at least 5 you have to learn it. Okay, these all are 2 big question answers. This will not ask together in the examination. Clear? What is poverty and what are the characteristics people living below the poverty line? So here the page number answer lies on the page number 133. Poverty definition is given to you, and here below poverty line the characteristic, the dotted points given to you. People who is not able to get the 2 meals a day till the death rate is high due to malnutrition is the answer. Next, explain the poverty in India. So answer lies over here. Poverty in India. Poverty in India, page number 134. Poverty in India, that you have to comprehend. Clear? That you have to comprehend the answer. It is too big question. What are the reasons of the origin of the poverty? Page number 135. These all are the reasons. Describe decrease in the income from the agriculture sector to there was increase in the population growth. Okay. Now next question. What are the steps taken by the government for social security and food security? Social security and food security, here the government's efforts made by the government to improve the living standard of the people. See students, over here efforts made by the government to reduce the poverty. Question number 3, answer 133. In that the below the characteristics, okay, below the 3 points are there. Okay, that's efforts. Now steps taken by the government for social security and food security. So that you have to write it down about the fair price shops. Okay, poor lives in the rich India. Answer lies on the page number. Poor resides in rich India, page number 134. The answer lies above rural poor, urban poor. Answer lies above the rural poor, urban poor. India is bestowed with the natural resource in large quantity till the poor live in the wealthy India. That you have to write it down. Next, the reasons for state the reasons for unemployment. So here the reasons for unemployment, page number 141, in that the first paragraph, their main reasons responsible for increasing unemployment till lack of investment. Okay, reasons. Now effect of unemployment lies in the efforts to reduce unemployment, in that 1 2 3 4 fifth line students, if they remain unemployed for a long time, they get involved in antisocial and immoral activities like drug trafficking, illegal activities, robberies, recovery ransom. Increasing the social economic inequality is there. Class discrimination begins. Fall in the living standard. When price rise joins unemployment condition of the poor, unemployed becomes more narrowing and pathetic. He turns towards narcotic drugs, other addictions. So thus unemployment has proved to be a deadly for individual and family as well as the economy. Next question, relative poverty and the urban absolute poverty. The answer lies on the page number 134, first paragraph, absolute poverty and the relative poverty students. Second, agro business policy. Explain about the agro business policy. That answer lies that I will tell you afterwards, students. Now Manarega programs. Manarega program, page number 139, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Act, that Manarega programs. Then industrial unemployment, only industrial unemployment you have to explain, page number 114, that the fifth one, industrial unemployment. And explain the idea of the world labor market, that just now I have explained to you, page number 143, full, that you have to write it down for the 3 marks. Now MCQs, which state in India has highest rate of poverty? Answer is Chhattisgarh. What was the rate of poverty in India 2011-12? 21.92. Which schemes have been started to connect women empowerment, skill development training, skill self-employment market? Mission Mangalam. In which state the rate of unemployment found to be highest? So this is totally twisting. Chhattisgarh, Kerala also come, but here I mark Chhattisgarh. It twisting answer. The answer lies between Kerala or Chhattisgarh. Which schemes was implemented under the Food Security Act in Gujarat? Ma Annapurna Yojana. Now MCQ. Which schemes has been started to connect women empowerment, skill development training, self-employment and market? Answer is C. Mishal Mangalam Yojana. In which state is rate of unemployment found to be highest? So this answer is twisted. So here Chhattisgarh given the answer, but Kerala also come, that you can see in the on the page number 140. In that the last paragraph first line, Sikkim, Kerala, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jammu Kashmir and Tripura. Okay, so we can see that while ratio of unemployment Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka, Chandigarh, Gujarat remains low. Clear? So here that answer is Chhattisgarh. Which scheme was implemented under the Food Security Act in Gujarat? Okay, in Gujarat, Security Act. So Ma Annapurna Yojana. Which scheme encourage unemployed youth with the new ideas to become entrepreneur, get self-employed? Answer is B. Startup India. The institute which registered unemployed persons to eradicate unemployment, Employment Exchange Center. So in the question number 4, so which state rate of unemployment found to be highest? So answer is between Kerala to Chhattisgarh. Okay, so answer mostly Kerala, that we have to find it out. Okay, now the question number 3, in that the second one, explain about the agro business policy. So answer lies on page number 136, 14th one, 139, 14th one, Agro Business Policy 2016. These 3 lines will come. So students, in this textual exercise, question number 1 to 4 are big questions that you have to write down all, but these all will not ask in the examination. Clear? Suppose poverty alleviation program, so each programs will ask separately. Clear? Then efforts made by the government to reduce poverty, this will ask for section D, so at least 5 you have to write it down. And schemes, this efforts made by the government to reduce poverty, the answer lies on the page number, this efforts lies on the page number 133. In that, the below the characteristics of the poverty line, income of the people living below the poverty line till it has tried to raise their living standard, that 3 efforts will come. And here the details, schemes and programs undertaken by the government to reduce the unemployment. So these all 9 that you have to write it down. Okay, but in exam no need to write all 9, at least 5 or 4 you have to write it down, students. These all are the big questions. So once the chapter finished, develop the habit of writing down the question answers in your fair book, students. Clear? Okay, all the best.